The city stretches beneath us like a web of glass and light, a living circuit pulsing with the energy of billions of dreams. From this height, everything seems connected. The highways glowing like veins, the towers glimmering like data streams, the endless hum of motion that never sleeps. This is the pulse of our age, the postmodern age, where everything is visible, yet nothing feels certain. Once, the world believed in stories that promised truth. Religion, science, art, each claimed to explain who we were and why we were here. But the 20th century shattered those certainties. Out of war and doubt, a new voice emerged, playful, ironic, skeptical, endlessly curious. The postmodern voice. It does not build monuments of truth. It builds mirrors. It asks questions instead of giving answers. It laughs softly at the seriousness of history, knowing that even reality is only one version among many. Look closer, beneath the shining glass, beneath the glamour of modern life, there's a deeper reflection. We see a world endlessly creating and recreating itself. Screens echo with infinite voices. Cities rise and fall in patterns of consumption and design. Meaning no longer feels permanent. It flows like light across surfaces, changing with every angle. The skyscraper, the billboard, the luxury car, they are not just things. They are symbols, shimmering signs in an endless play of meaning. In this age, art and life blur. A photograph becomes truth. A movie becomes memory. A brand becomes identity. We live in simulation, surrounded by images that imitate reality until the difference fades. Yet within this play of illusions, there is beauty, a strange electric beauty born from diversity and contradiction. The postmodern world is a collage, ancient and digital, real and imagined, human and machine. It celebrates fragments, not perfection. It tells us that the world's richness lies in its differences. Every voice matters now. Every story has space. The marginalized, the forgotten, the exiled, all speak back through art, through literature, through media. This is an age of many narratives, not one. It rejects the single truth of empire, of dogma, of dominance. Instead, it invites a chorus, the laughter of many languages, the poetry of plural realities. And yet, this freedom carries a quiet loneliness. The more we connect, the more we drift. Our faces glow in the blue light of screens, our thoughts scattered across infinite feeds. We are present everywhere, nowhere deeply. The city never sleeps, but sometimes, beneath the hum, it dreams. A collective dream of meaning that we're still trying to remember. Philosophers like Lyotard and Foucault told us that knowledge is no longer universal. It is power, shaped by those who control it. Artists and writers began to respond, breaking their own rules, exposing their own structures. A novel now knows it is a novel. A film looks into the camera and winks. The postmodern mind understands that even creation is performance, that every truth we build carries a trace of invention. This is not cynicism, it's awareness, a new kind of honesty. Because in acknowledging illusion, we find a new kind of authenticity, one that accepts contradiction as part of being alive. From the ruins of certainty, the postmodern age built a world of endless possibility. Technology became the new architecture of imagination. Global voices converged, identities merged, and the self became fluid, an ever-changing design of culture, choice, and code. The city, seen from above, becomes our perfect metaphor. It is fragmented yet whole, chaotic yet organized, impersonal yet deeply human. It holds 1,000 lives in motion, all distinct, all connected. Every window reflects a story, every light, a heartbeat. We live in a world of reflections now, reflections of who we were, who we are, and who we imagine ourselves to be. The postmodern spirit asks us not to search for the one truth, but to create meaning through experience, through art, Through empathy, it tells us that there is no single path, only the endless play of discovery. And perhaps that is the beauty of this age, its ability to laugh, to question, to reinvent. It teaches us that in the shifting landscape of ideas and identities, what remains constant is not certainty, but wonder. So when the drone rises higher and the skyline unfolds beneath you, glittering, restless, infinite, you are seeing not just a city, but the very shape of our consciousness, a mirror of humanity's imagination, shining with contradiction, alive with possibility. This is the postmodern age, the age of irony and diversity, of self-reflection and creation.